What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add music to Spotify app in your mobile phone on Android. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on Spotify app. After going to on Spotify app, what you need to do, you have to click on the left top corner in your profile icon. After going to profile, you need to click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you need to scroll on. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can add music into your Spotify on your Android phone. So after doing so, you have to scroll down and find the option called local files. This is the option. Then you need to click on local files. After clicking on local files, if this option turned off in your mobile phone, you need to turn this on just like this. If this option shows green signals, that means this option is turned on. So after doing so, you are ready to go. Now you can find your music in your Spotify app. Otherwise, or you can add this is how you can add music into your Spotify app on your mobile phone in Android. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.